and welcome back to Curly Ma. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I make my lock potion. This is a moisturizer that I use every day in my hair as a spray or like a mist types, because of the type of spray bottle that I use is like misty. But I spray this in my hair every single day, okay? This is inspired by West Indies Ray, but with my own little twist on it. So what I use this is horrible. Before I got locks, I didn't really have like itchy scalp, dry scalp, tenderness in my hair, or anything like that. I didn't really have a problem with moisturizing my hair. But once I got locks, I noticed that my scalp became really tender, super itchy and dry. Like I actually have little flakes in there sometimes. But with this lock potion that I made, it really helped me out. And when I tell y'all my hair does not itch, like my scalp does not itch like that anymore, it really doesn't. I mean, that every here and there, yeah, it does, but not like it was before. Like my scalp was so itchy, y'all. It was just so annoying. And so, and you know, with locks can kind of have that dull look. So this also helps with bringing the shine back as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use, and then I'm actually gonna show you how I create my lock potion. So currently, I use I actually talked about this in my lock retwist video, but I use my potion in that video to do my retwist. So this is my organic tea tree oil. These are the ingredients I use. If it will focus. I also use organic vitamin E oil. I use Nature's Way aloe vera juice. I use some distilled water. Parents' Choice is the baby one. And I also use, I know you guys can't see it, but this is rose water that I actually created myself, which I will be coming out with a tutorial soon as well. So yes, this is rose water, but you can use any rose water that you would like. But yes, rose water, this is the rose water that I made myself that I use in my lock potion. So, I'm gonna just show you guys like the proportions that I put in there and everything to moisturize my locks every day, just in case you're struggling with moisturizing your locks, or you have itchy locks, itchy scalp, dry scalp, whatever it is, this will probably help you. And so with the tea tree oil, I use that because of the tenderness in my hair, and also it helps with flaky, itchy scalp. But it also promotes blood flow to the hair. It stimulates the hair to actually grow so you get fuller hair. It allows the nutrients to reach your hair follicles. And it also balances the pH level of the scalp, which I didn't even know, so I learned that. And then vitamin E oil, it just seals in that moisture. It seals in whatever moisture you're putting into your hair, and also brings a shine to your hair. So that's where I get that shine from my locks. So I'm gonna show you guys my locks so you can see, because right now they need some TLC. I'm currently almost, I think I am 6 weeks without a retwist, y'all. It's been 6 weeks since I had my last retwist. And it's just, it's time for a retwist, but I'm waiting because, you know, it's the holidays. I plan to take a trip, so I'm just trying to wait so I can have a fresh retwist. But this is what my locks currently look like, and I've been out of my lock potion because I wanted to make this video, and I was just too tired to make the video. But anyways, I haven't really been giving my hair any love, so this is what they currently look like. I feel like they're pretty dull and dry, and just, they need some love. They need some love right now. And I am actually almost 9 months locked, guys. Almost. So I hope you guys were able to see, but I feel like they are really dry. They look dry to me. So I'm gonna give this crown some TLC. Now before we do that, before I show y'all my little secret to how I take care of my locks, y'all already know what I need you to do. Okay? Okay. I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you join Curly Ma, okay? You don't want to miss what I have for you. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you share it with all your friends and family and whoever else. Make sure you share it, okay? And we just gonna get right into it. All right, guys, so this is my little setup to create my lock potion. Now, I do want to let you know I'm not going to be putting the vitamin E oil or the organic tea tree oil directly into it. And that's because I already put it into my rose water. So I'm definitely going to show you guys a tutorial on how I created this rose water, because the tea tree oil and the vitamin E oil are already inside of it. I've already put it in there and mixed it up when I made it. So I'm not going to put this in there because, one, tea tree is really strong. If you guys know or have ever used tea tree oil, y'all know that this stuff is strong. So you don't need a lot, and what I put in my rose water is the perfect amount. And also, I mean, with the vitamin E oil, you just don't want to put too much oil in your hair and it become all oily. So I'm not going to put any more oil in there since the oil is already incorporated into the rose water. So I'm just going to set those to the side. And by the way, you can incorporate any type of essential oil that you would like into your lock potion, your own lock potion. The reason I used those was because of the benefits that I knew it would have on my hair, since I knew I had the dry and itchy scalp and I didn't want like dull looking locks. So you use whatever you want to use for your locks. So I actually have my measuring cup out because this is dark and I know you guys cannot see it. Like, you can't see any liquid in here. You just can't. So I'm gonna put, to fill it up, it's like a little under 1.5 cups. I don't know exactly the amount of ounces, but I got this mister. This is the top. It's a mister, y'all. It's amazing. I love it. But I got this from Amazon, and I am gonna put, I'm gonna link all of this in the description box below. That way you can buy it if you would like. So all of my stuff came from Amazon except the distilled water. I just got that from Walmart in the baby section, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna start with the distilled water. So I literally just put like, not half, but kind of half of the distilled water in my measuring cup. Let me zoom in for you guys so you can see. And then with my aloe vera juice, I'm gonna go in with this. First, let me shake it up because it has like little, I don't know what it's called, like pulpy type things in there, but I'm gonna mix that up and pour this in here. I try to get like an even distribution between the aloe vera juice and the distilled water. So that's what we're looking like so far. And then now I'm just gonna put my rose water in there. And if you guys do make your own rose water, always make sure that your rose water is fresh. I keep mine fresh by just keeping it in the fridge. That way it doesn't get old or smell really weird, because you know how flowers get old, they start smelling. So that's exactly what your rose water will do if you make it yourself. So I like to just make sure that it doesn't have a foul odor or anything, and then I'm just gonna pour it in here, and it's very, very, very potent. So potent, y'all. And that's it. That's literally it. This is how I make my lock potion. This is what it looks like before I put it in my little mister. And this is the freaking amazing creation that I created that helps my scalp so much, y'all. Like, I really just love it. It just helps so much. So I'm gonna pour it in here and then shake it up so I can make sure it gets mixed in there. I also mix my rose water before pouring it in here as well, just so the oil can get mixed back up in there. And I just shake it up, shake it on up. And y'all, when I say that's it, like, that's all I do. That is it. And this is all I use in my hair, outside of like oil, like hair oil, not my essential oils, but hair oil. This is all I use in my hair. This is it right here. This is my my holy trinity for my hair, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing, for real, y'all. For real, for real. So try this out and let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below if it works for you, if it helps with that itchy scalp, with that dandruff. Let me know. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Super short, super simple, and super easy. So I didn't go over the benefits of the aloe vera juice. If you guys know, aloe vera is super moisturizing, and the juice, I just used the juice from it instead of using like the I don't know what you call it, but like the gel, you know, the inside of it's all sticky and gooey. I don't want that texture in my hair, so I just use the juice, which is literally the same thing. You get the same benefits from it, and so that's why I use the aloe vera juice. It's just really moisturizing and helpful. It has a lot of benefits for your hair. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do, let me know in the description box below. Or not the description box, the comments. Let me know in the comments down below, y'all. And if you use like different essential oils, let me know so I can give it a try as well. I would love to try it out and see how I like it on my hair. But I hope this is super helpful and super easy for you guys to make. And yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share, and I will see you guys next time.